Is it in yet?
Oh, Amy. It is in. Oh, it fell out.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's in.
Come on.
Oh, out. Oh, it is in. I need a cigarette. So good.
You sure you planted that little critter correctly?
Yep. I infected her by firmly planting it on her obturator externus muscle.
Ooh, that's a big word.
You know.
And you're sure it's gonna work?
Well, of course. I bought it straight from Dr. Roland Blackwood's black market site, Infectious Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's guaranteed to hyper-empathize anyone it infects.
You don't think we're taking this empathy thing a bit too far, do you? I mean, I know Dr. Englesbefurter wants his creation to spread empathy all over Michigan. And you can never have too much, but I don't know.
Look, I know Dr. Englesbefurter may have dedicated his entire life to reanimating human tissue. Like anyone knows what that means. But I essentially have a PhD in feelings. We're doing him a favor. He is going to be so proud of us.
Wait, proud enough of us that he's gonna let us look him in the eye when speaking to him?
Oh my God! Absolutely not! That will literally never happen. But we can't tell anyone.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, I have not been this excited since Matt's 2014.
Tonight, my unconventional conventionists, you are to witness a new breakthrough in bioempathetic research. I wonder how many of you have heard stories about this machine right here?
Royal flourish.
Not that machine, Dr. Brian Woodcock.
Woodcock.
This one. It's called the empathometer.
I thought it was only a myth.
What does it do?
I was getting to that. I found it in the ruins of Furstenberg and upgraded it into a state-of-the-art proprietary device that measures empathy throughout the hospital. This port measures the pheromones of our patients. And this assigns a numerical value. And this, well, this little piece was just phallic, and so I kept it.
Banana.
Does that machine actually work?
Of course it works. I even turned it into an app on my Apple iWatch.
Apple. Oh, banana. Cock.
Perhaps a demonstration. Amy, Eric, if you please. Now, if you'll rest your eyes on this indicator here, you'll see that it's set in the range of low empathy, or as I like to refer to it, Michael Mulholland's worldview. Now, as these two embrace, the flaccid indicator begins to stiffen and rise to the level of Bob Lash pillow talk. Still not good, but better.
By George, he's done it. He's quantified empathy.
Yes, indeed. And now, I am ready to show you all the key to restoring empathy at Michigan. I made you all a new dean. I perfectly anastomose the good looks of Matt Davis, the luscious locks of Richard Oye, the musical talent of Paul Fine, the sass of Mike Rowe, and the empathy that fled the body of Arno Kumagai when he was banished to Toronto. Finally, I added the pan-resistant gonorrhea cultured from Best Connor's Lady Bits.
No, gross.
Gonorrhea.
No, gross. No.
My dean will have the perfect amount of empathy that Michigan needs. No more and no less. And you are all so fortunate because tonight, my beautiful creature is about to be born. Turn on the ventilator.
Ah, ventilator. Check.
Reverse Trendelenburg.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.
Just finish your damn crossword.
Oh, yes. This is a 5-letter word for surgeon, starts with an I.
Idiot.
Exactly, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you Dean Michelle Daniel.
It's okay, Jennifer.
The dean tells students while they're young, kindness isn't on the boards. She'll empathize through her lipstick lips, just behind the office door.
There's nothing wrong with your step score, she'll say. Bedside manner's where it's at. So hold your patient's hand and you'll go far. Some kisses and it'll be it. She's still of empathy, yeah. The students, no mistakes. Her patient's fast track, baby, she was made this way. Students love her mindset, her hugs and no regrets. Englesbefurter don't know she was made this way. Oh, there's so much empathy, baby, she was made this way. Baby, she was made this way. Oh, there's so much empathy, baby, she was made this way. Fast track, baby, she was made this way. Central lines and rectal exams, nerve block for that painful tooth. I do it all with a smile and twerk. Count my thank yous as proof. Teach the students to love themselves, believe they can match in top 10. I love my school and I love this job, so just let me lend you a hand. I'm dean of empathy, for students no mistakes. My patient's fast track, baby, I was made this way. Students love my mindset, all hugs and no regrets. Englesbefurter's a god, and I was made this way. Oh, there's so much empathy, baby, she was made this way. Baby, she was made this way. Oh, there's so much empathy, baby, she was made this way. Fast track, baby, she was made this way.
Just look at the empathometer now. It's almost up to the level of Andrew Barnowski in a pile of kittens. Oh, God, I just love success.
Oh, wow. She is just amazing, Master. What a great job you did.
Oh, I know.
Oh, Master, she is just going to be the best assistant dean of curriculum and empathy education that the school could ever ask for.
Oh, I know it.
She's okay.
Okay. Okay. You're okay. She is super mega foxy awesome hot. Wouldn't you agree, Michael?
See, I don't like a woman who is too fit. Oh, my goodness. What's happening down there? Oh. My. Okay, well, now I've been training for the M-Home Olympics for over a year now. And that body, well, that body looks like a champion.
Well, what does she do anyway?
She's here to bring empathy back to the hospital.
By finally prioritizing student and employee wellness?
Oh, yeah.
By having an open door policy for students to come in and cry it out.
Of course.
By promoting faculty development and interdisciplinary, interdepartmental collaboration?
Yes!
By being totally understanding that sometimes life happens outside of medical school, that there are some things outside of students' control, so that when students with perfectly sensible reasons need one, they can go to Dean Daniels and get a deferral?
No!
But that.
I didn't make her for deferrals.
I don't know, Michael. I'm feeling a little funny. I haven't felt like this since we were back at medical school in Boston.
Was that at Tufts?
No, not that pathetic school.
Was it at Boston University? Great program.
No. It was just some small school in Boston. You've probably never heard of it.
Oh, I got it. It was at UMass Chestertonshire Field Sauce?
No.
Was it?
Yeah.
No. Why, it was at Harvard.
Say it again, baby.
It was at Harvard.
Again, baby.
It was at Harvard.
Oh, Michael!
You see? Works like a charm. Now to show her off to the hospital, and then the entire medical school.
Well, look, I hate to interrupt, and I know you only care about post-op when Jayco's around, but did anyone happen to notice the patient was developing a fever? The fact that there was a maculopapular rash? That everyone was getting infected? Oh, God, I don't even know why I wear that thing anymore. I might as well be a CRNA around here. You know, for one time in my life, I would love it if someone would just listen to the anesthesiologist. If someone were in a panic and found the experience quite traumatic, screaming, shouting, cut wide open, you'd notice them. And if someone in our audience here cried, you'd notice him. And even with normal physiology, the interns hover around nervously. Unless, of course, that person it should be invisible, inconsequential. Anesthesiology. Halothane, Mr. Halothane. Don't forget my name, Mr. Halothane, 'cause you can sleep right through me. Breathe now with me and never know my name. I tell ya, Halothane, Mr. Halothane. Don't forget my name, Mr. Halothane, 'cause you can sleep right through me. Stay stable for me and help me read email. Oh, extra case, I tell ya. Halothane, Mr. Halothane, please just learn my name, Mr. Halothane, 'cause you can sleep right through me. Get extubated by me and never know I'm there. even know. I'm Huh. Tea time. God save the Queen.
Me again. Now, I figured some definitions may be in order for some of the less medically literate members of the audience. Thus, I brought along my handy medical dictionary. Now, let's see. Empathy. The act of understanding, being sensitive to, and vicariously experiencing the thoughts and feelings of another. It is also a powerful and irrational master. Now, some may say the Hippocratic Oath is a binding agreement, and that any surgeon who would have taken such an oath would never be able to harm a patient, nor a friend. Now, if this is true, the Lukelas and the rest are free to have their fun. But class counselors never took such an oath. And our own Dr. Englesbefurter, blinded by the beauty of his own creation, could never see that sabotage was afoot.